Alright folks, we got a piece of apricot on the lathe. I'm going to try to get 2 bowls out of this because I'm going to use my bowl saver, which you haven't seen yet. Well, maybe you have. I do have a video in the making, but I don't know if it'll be its own or... Anyway, I have a bowl saver and I'm going to core out the middle, and then I'll turn probably the bigger one today. Haven't decided yet. I'll turn one of them and then the other will be another video. So let's see what happens.
Zed's turning apricot today, and he said he was going to use the bowl saver first. Which is adorable, because he's had the thing for about 5 minutes and already thinks he's a coring expert. I'm not saying it's going to go badly. I'm just saying, prepare your expectations accordingly. Anyway, moving on to the good part, apricot. This wood is sneaky beautiful. Cut into it and suddenly you get warm oranges, pink streaks, and that silky grain that loves to catch the light. It's one of those woods that looks like it's glowing even before the finish hits. So even if the bowl saver mysteriously doesn't work out, this apricot bowl is still going to steal the show. Thanks for supporting the channel, and please hit those buttons and leave a comment.
All right, folks, here we have the apricot bowl, number 437. You saw me struggle with that bowl saver, and I am not sure. I don't think it's the right, well, I know it's not the right size post for my lathe, and there's some other adjustment issues, and I don't have any instructions, so I'm learning the hard way. So if anyone has any constructive criticism, throw it in the comments below. I think this bowl turned out great. I love the subtle bark inclusion here. I shaved off some of it, but there's just enough to get all those colors to just come out, which I really like. I also like this side. There's a lot of cracking. I hope it holds together. This wood should be done moving. It's been in my pile for a while now. But if it doesn't, I guess that's the risk you take. And then there's just some amazing grain inside. So that's 437 apricot bowl in the can. Stay tuned for the montage and we'll see you next time.